Religious tolerance algorithms, how digital platforms enforce sacred immunity. Welcome to Hindu Infopedia, your genuine info source for social issues. In today's documentary, we reveal how religious tolerance, once a virtue of open societies, is now selectively and algorithmically enforced, shielding certain ideologies from scrutiny while silencing reasoned inquiry. This is not about faith, it's about how the digital world is reshaping the boundaries of speech, research, and democracy. Religious tolerance algorithms, yes, they exist. They don't foster dialogue, they enforce narrative control. Across digital platforms, these algorithms work to protect specific religious views, most notably Islam, from public scrutiny. Search results are curated. Platforms push one version of a religion while hiding internal contradictions. Search jihad, and you'll see spiritual definitions, but not history. Criticism, hidden. Dissent, flagged. The control is layered first. Search manipulation shapes what you're allowed to see. Second, platform policies favor officially sanctioned voices. Moderates are promoted, critics are muted. Third, even internal Muslim debates, scholars explaining Sharia's nuance, are often taken down for violating community standards. The outcome? A uniform, global-facing image of Islam, controlled not by imams but by code. The censorship isn't always loud, often it's silent. Shadow banning reduces visibility without notice. Scholars are pushed to the algorithmic basement. Meanwhile, voices presenting a feel-good sanitized version of Islam are algorithmically amplified. And then there's the foundation. The community standards themselves, designed increasingly to mirror Islamic blasphemy laws under the label of hate speech policy. This isn't just algorithmic oversight, it's active information warfare. Organized reporting campaigns mass flag dissent as hate. Islamic organizations partner with tech giants, gaining behind-the-scenes influence over moderation rules. They even run training programs, arming digital foot soldiers to enforce narrative control using the platform's own rules. This is not tolerance. This is tactical censorship. Why does it matter? Because democracy dies when public truth is filtered. Religious tolerance algorithms don't just hide critique, they manufacture ignorance. Voters, journalists, and lawmakers operate in a curated echo chamber, blind to demographic realities, ideological challenges, or internal debates. What's left is a sanitized illusion. Two ecosystems, one for believers, one for outsiders, mutually unaware and permanently divided. These aren't just platform flaws, they're symptoms of a system hijacked. We need algorithmic transparency, legal reform, and above all, cultural courage. Religious tolerance must never mean religious immunity from scrutiny. Freedom to question is not hate. This sacred immunity by code is shaping generations to self-censor. But truth, when suppressed, doesn't disappear. It only sharpens. Thank you for watching this eye-opening documentary from Hindu Infopedia. If you value truth over tolerance theater, like, share, and subscribe to stay informed. Visit hinduinfopedia.com to read the full blog behind this film. Because a democracy that cannot question cannot survive.